Short on time and tight on budget? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Chana Chawal, or chickpeas rice, with just a few simple ingredients. Let's jump right in. Heat half a cup of oil in a pan over medium heat. Roughly chop 2 medium-sized onions and add them to the pan. Use a chopper to finely chop 3 to 4 garlic cloves, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, and 1 to 2 chillies. Once the onions turn translucent, add the ginger, garlic, and chilies to the pan. Fry the mixture for about a minute, just until fragrant. Add 2 to 3 tomatoes to the pan and give it a good mix. Stir in 1 tablespoon of Achar, a flavorful Indian or Pakistani pickle. Add 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, a blend of several spices and herbs that you can easily find in your local Indian or Pakistani grocery shop. Season with salt to taste, remembering that you'll be cooking rice in this mixture, so add a bit more salt than usual. Cook on medium to low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid high heat to prevent burning the spices. Add 250 grams of fully boiled chickpeas chene and gently mix them in. Cover and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the chickpeas to absorb all the flavors and the tomatoes to soften. Pour in 750 milliliters of water and gently mix the ingredients together. Cover the pan and set the heat to medium-high to bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add 500 grams of pre-soaked basmati rice. Keep the heat at medium-high, cover with a lid, and cook until there's just a little water left. Now, slow cook the rice on very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. This traditional process is called dem. Your Chana Chawal is ready. Give it a gentle mix before serving. That's it for today's Chana Chawal recipe. If you enjoyed this, don't miss out on our traditional chakwal mukati halwa. It's the perfect small batch treat to enjoy with your tea or coffee. And as always, have a wonderful day.